400 on the middle way. 400 verses, root text. Chapter 15. 351. If what does not exist at the last is produced, how can the non-existent be produced? If what exists from the outset is produced, how can that which exists be produced? 352. Since the effect destroys the cause, that which does not exist will not be produced, nor will that which exists be produced, since what is established needs no establisher. 353. There is no production at that time, nor is there production at another. If not produced at that time nor another, when will there ever be production? 354. Just as there is no production of that as the thing it is, neither is it produced as something else. 355. The first, intermediate and last are not possible prior to production. How can each begin without the other two?
356. The thing itself does not occur without other things. Thus there is no coming into existence, either from self or from other. 357. It cannot be said to exist before, after, or simultaneously. Therefore production does not occur simultaneously with the pot. 358. That which was previously produced was not old when first produced. Also that which afterwards has been constantly produced is not old. 359. A present thing does not come into existence from itself, nor come into existence from the future, and also not from the past. 360. There is no coming of the produced, likewise no going of that which has ceased. Since it is thus, why should existence not be like a magician's illusions? 361. Production, duration, and disintegration do not occur simultaneously, if they are not consecutive either. When can they ever occur?
362. If for production and all the others, all of these occurred again, disintegration would seem like production, and duration like disintegration. 363. If that which is characterized is said to be different from its characteristics, how can the characterized be impermanent? Alternatively, existence of all four is unclear. 364. A thing is not produced from a thing, nor is a thing produced from a non-thing. A non-thing is not produced from a non-thing, nor is a thing produced from a non-thing. 365. A thing does not become a thing, nor does a non-thing become a thing. A non-thing does not become a non-thing, nor does a thing become a non-thing. 366. A thing in the process of production, since half-produced, is not being produced. Alternatively, it follows that everything is in the process of being produced.
367. That which has the nature of presently being produced is not in the process of production, nor is that in the process of production which lacks the nature of presently being produced. 368. For anyone to whom the two are impossible without an intermediate, there is nothing in the process of production, for it too would have an intermediate. 369. Since the process of production is the arising of the produced through cessation, that which is presently being produced appears to be a different entity. 370. When a thing is produced, there cannot be anything in the process of production, if the produced is in the process
of production. Why is it being produced? 371. A thing in the process of production is said to be the entirely unproduced arising. Since there is no difference, why should the pot not be considered as non-existent? 372. That which is presently being produced, though incomplete, is other than unproduced, yet also since other than produced, the unproduced is being produced. 373. That which is presently being produced, though not yet existent, is later said to exist. The unproduced is thus being produced, but the non-existent does not arise. 374. The completed is called existent. The uncompleted is called non-existent. When there is nothing in the process of production, what is being referred to as such? 375. Since without a cause, there is no effect. Both starting and stopping are not feasible.